This is Dr. L, and this is a short video to give you guys an example from my own personal experience of something I'd like to see from you in the habitat assignment that I've provided for you. So I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the lichen that I saw this weekend as an example of some microbes in a very particular type of habitat. So this weekend I had the opportunity to go to Acadia National Park in Maine, which is, I think, one of the most beautiful places in the U.S. It's a stunning, stunning place with an incredible range of habitats. And while we were there, we hiked up the ladder trail, named for the metal ladders that help you ascend the mountain. We hiked up Dorr Mountain, which overlooks the sea, so you can see the Atlantic Ocean over here, Bar Harbor's that way, and this is the peak or summit of Dorr Mountain. That's my son Kari here and here. And I chose these pictures to highlight the sunniness of this summit. So there's tons and tons of UV up there. And also you can notice like pink and gray in the rock. So all of the rock on this mountain is granite. There's some very characteristic pink granite and then some less pink granite, less feldspar I think it is, that makes it pink. So here's a close-up of those rocks, and you can see the pink and the gray within them, and you can see that the surface is mottled or covered with lichen. There's a patch of green lichen, patches of gray lichen, and so on. And so here's a close-up of a boulder that I took on the way up the mountain. That's me, it's my shadow there. And so all of this patchiness here and these different colors are due to lichen. So let's think a little bit about what lichen are. So this somewhat uncolorful cross-section of a lichen structure shows this like web of cells, and all of those cells are largely fungi. So lichen is a symbiotic relationship that you can see, that you can visualize. It's not one single organism, it's instead multiple organisms living together mutualistically in symbiosis. And the two components of the symbiosis, or at least two, okay? Classically we think of them as being the myco for fungus, mycobiont, or photobiont, photo for photosynthesis.